channel, guys. And yeah, guys, get this, I have created this beautiful Indian Korean makeup look. And as you can see, it's very much pretty. I'm in love with this look. मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं भी कोरियन लग सकती हूँ थोड़ी थोड़ी. So yeah, guys, I am totally in love with this makeup look. I'm totally in love with this makeup, in this makeup look. Okay, let's move towards the video. And if you wanna see that how I created this beautiful Korean look, then please keep on watching. But make sure that you subscribe my channel right now. So press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever my new video will be up. Also press the all button so that my each and every video आप देख पाए. And yeah, guys, please support करना, subscribe ज़रूर कर देना, अपने friends and family के साथ ज़रूर share करना. Hi guys, so I will be using Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Primer. As you know, my makeup base, it's very illuminating, it's very dewy, but it does not fill in your pores. So for filling my pores, I will be using NY Babe Blur-In Primer, to blur in my pores, so that my foundation does not go into my pores. Now I'm done with my primer, and my base for my foundation application is ready. But now I'm doing color correcting to my face, because it does not look good if I will directly apply foundation to my face. So I'm going to use a Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 06, and it's the shade which matches my skin tone very well. So I can use this concealer as color correcting, as I say. And I'm correcting on the areas where I have dark spots, pigmented area, dark circles, acne marks. So it will cancel out all those things. And then I will fill my eyebrows, as Koreans have straight eyebrows. They don't have arched eyebrows like I have. So I'm just filling my eyebrow with using this SFR eyeshadow and eyebrow palette, and I'm just taking the brown shade on my brush and just applying it very finely, not in the shape but straightwards, and nothing fancy doing. So right now I'm mixing my foundation with my highlighter, and I'm using purple foundation. The shade will be mentioned in the description box, so you can check it out. And I'm going to mix my Swiss Beauty highlighter, liquid highlighter, and this foundation for the glowy and dewy effect on my skin. Absolutely perfect. And I'm looking in the mirror, it's not so glowy, but yeah, it's flawless. let's move on to the another step. And now I'm going to do my eyes. And for my eyes, I will conceal them a little. I'm using Swiss Beauty uh, concealer and the shade Sand Sable. Okay, it's highlighting shade for my skin tone. I'm only highlighting my under eyes. Okay, and I'm setting my under eyes with the help of Lakme a rose loose powder, because I have lines under my eyes, so it's very important for me to set my under eyes. Okay, now I'm moving towards my eyes and I'm taking it closer so आप अच्छे से आई मेकअप देख सकें. For eye makeup I will be doing very simple eye makeup. So I'm using here Spiced Up eyeshadow palette by NK Nikake eyeshadow palette, Spiced Up. And here I will be using shimmer colors on my eyelid. And let me swatch to see which shade will go better. I think this. Okay. Okay, I think this particular shade will go perfectly on my eyes. Okay, so I'm going with the eyeshadow, using with my finger only. I'm taking this pigment right here on my eye, this particular finger, and I'm going to apply my eyeshadow to the whole lid. Korean eye makeup is very elegant and sexy, which I think, plus simple as well. I'm taking a little more to brighten my crease. I'm taking more to brighten my lid. I'm loving this. I am taking this Nika K eyeliner pencil, and this is in the shade brown. And Koreans usually use brown eyeliners or kajal. They might not be use kajal, but yeah, they might use they actually use brown eyeliner for their under bags, for their eye bags, and for also as a liner. So I'm creating my eye bag with this very light handed, as you can see. I'm creating my eye bag with this eye. I'm creating my eye bag with this eye pencil, very light handed. Repeating the same on the other eye. eyes are watery right now. So my eye bags created successfully. Now I'm doing my brown eyeliner look with this eyeshadow only. I have brown eyeliner, but I think the precision will come by by using this brown shade in this brush. And I'm going to wet my brush with the setting spray. I am wetting my brush. Let me take a very fine brush for this. I think this is nice. Okay, so it's wet now, and I will be taking brown shade in my brush. I'm looking in the mirror right front of me, so I might not be able to look right here, but I'm just going to create a simple elongated wing, but not upward side. It will be straight. So we have to take this eyeshadow as very close to our lashes, very close, you can see. You can see. So I am done with my eyeliner, and this part is really tricky, because when we don't have brown eyeliner, so this is kind of tricky. But I do have a eyeliner from Stay Quirky, but the wand is not flexible for me to create this type of liner. So instead of the Stay Quirky, now I'm going to add some glitter on my eye bags. And for my eye bag glitter, I will be using this shimmer right here. It's kind of glitter and shimmer. So I'm taking this on my pencil brush and I'm literally just touching my under eyes, my lower lash line, and just very lightly applying it very close to my lash line. It's a little bit going inside my eyes right now. It's looking good now. And I'm doing, oh god, the glitters are going inside my eyes. Oh. So now I'm doing my lashes and I'm going to do very natural lashes. I'm going to curl my lashes. Okay, I'm not going to add falsies today because Koreans don't usually apply falsies, or if they apply very natural lashes. Now I'm applying my Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline, and mascara usually dry up very quickly, and they come very expensive and they dry very quickly. Usually draw fake lower lashes with their brown eyeliner. Should I also do this or not? I'm back in a while, repeating the same to the another eye. I'm going to create fake eyelashes by using the same brush, but I don't think it will look good, so just giving it a try. No, not going to create with this brush because this brush is risky. Going to use eyeshadow for fake eyelashes. Going to use this eyeliner from Stay Quirky. I'm using this. Oh, I can use this as also my eyeliner using this trick. It's okay. Let's swatch here. Okay, it's pigmented. I'm scared. I created very little because I'm too scared to do such. It's not as risky as it, but it's not working, not showing. Not working. Okay, just let it be. I'll apply some glitter later on. I think this trick is not nice. with this brush. It's actually giving me the false eyelashes look. Look at this, isn't it? I have messed up it. I messed it up right here, but I think on this side I have done a really great job. Okay, so I'm going to correct it with using glitter, maybe. I'm done with my risky part right here. Guys, I'm done with my risky part. Now I am going to do my little bit face contouring and blush and highlighting. I'm using Faces Canada eye face palette. Okay, and I'm using this brush because my brushes are really not in the situation to use right now. Because I'm taking this contour shade and a little bit bronzing and little contour my face. Taking my highlighter, going to highlight. Usual, going to highlight my nose, my cheekbones. Okay. Done with the face palette. Now I think blush. Oh, I just forgot to use blush. How can I? Blush is very important while doing Korean makeup. Doing my lipstick, and for lipstick I will be using, this, I think I've used it. This is lip oil, and it's a tint basically. Goes only on my this area. Lips I think looking fine.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my
सो गाइस, मेरा वीडियो तो कंप्लीट हो गया है. ओके, सो आपको कैसा लगा मुझे ज़रूर बताना. ऑल्सो गाइस, अभी रात के 1:20 हो रहे हैं, 1:20 हो रहे हैं. ओके, एंड इतनी लेट नाइट मैं शूट कर रही हूँ. मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला सुबह से, एंड उनको शूट करना ही था. एंड आप देख सकते हो कमरे में बहुत सारी लाइट्स खुली हुई हैं. एंड मैं यहाँ पे अकेले नहीं सोती हूँ, मेरी मम्मी मेरे साथ सोती हैं. जस्ट लुक राइट, जस्ट लुक हियर, शी इज़ trying to sleep, and I am her daughter is making video, and this is not दिस इज़ नॉट नाइस गाइज, बिकॉज आई नो मैंने बहुत लेट कर दिया वीडियो बनाने में, लेकिन फिर भी मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ इतनी लेट. एंड या गाइज, in by chance, if you don't know, I am not a earning person. I don't earn penny from here. So guys, just see my efforts, how I am doing this. And this is so hard. My mom is trying to sleep and she's can't because बहुत सारे लाइट्स ऑन हैं. तो बस वीडियो तो शूट हो गई है, अब और कुछ शूट नहीं करने वाली, बस लाइट्स क्लोज़ करूँगी और जल्दी से ये सब समेटूँगी सामान वगैरह. या गाइस प्लीज़, अगर आपको मेरे एफ़र्ट्स दिखते हैं एंड अगर आपको मेरा मेकअप लुक पसंद आ रहा है, मेरे एफ़र्ट्स पसंद आ रहे हैं, तो प्लीज़ गाइस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके ही जाना. ऑल्सो अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ शेयर ज़रूर कर देना, ताकि सबको पता चल सके कि हम इंडियंस भी कम नहीं हैं किसी कोरिया से, किसी कोरियन से. ओके गाइस, मैंने इस मंथ शुरू किया है कोरियन सीरीज़. एंड कोरियन सीरीज़ इसलिए क्योंकि आई एम अ huge fan of K-dramas, and I just love them. I can watch all day long, and इसलिए I am sharing my excitement with you guys, sharing this Korean makeup look, and we're going to share Korean skincare routine also in further videos. Also K-drama recommendations and K-drama particular drama reviews. So stay tuned to my channel if you are a K-drama fan, and if don't, then don't miss other videos also. Okay guys, bye.